Hey everybody, this is Paul, 125 Roller Coaster Challenge, and we are here at Big Bird's Beach over here at Sesame Place in Philadelphia, and we're going to do a quick little walkthrough here. Now we have the bigger Explore video. Definitely make sure you check it out. It is our most popular video we've ever done, but we wanted to break it down because there's a couple things that have changed. So this is Elmo's Surf and Slide, and this is one of those giant rafts, as you can tell, as it comes down real quick here. These are the ones that are family size. The rafts are so big you got to go up the conveyor belt. And pretty much, if you look in the background there, that is all the Elmo Surf and Slide. So you got a lot of twists and turns, and then you end here with basically a double jump down here. So they're kicking that over to the side. They wait for the one raft to be empty before they let the other one come down. But here comes the other one real quick. Riveting television, isn't it, here? So, well, we always want to show you the splashdown if we get a chance. And here it comes. There you go. So that is Surf and Slide, Elmo's Surf and Slide. So right across from there is actually another one, Rosetta's Seaside Slides. Now this is more of a traditional kind of slide where you actually have double rafts like they have going up there, which are orange, or you have the pink rafts, and pretty much you go up there. Now there's usually two sides going, but there's only one going today. I don't know if that's a maintenance thing or if it's more of it's a slower day, but once we see this splashdown, we'll move on. But this is basically their mirror. So unlike a lot of other slides, this is a mirror slide. He just gave the thumbs up, so that will allow them to bring the next one down. But these are two really good slides. As soon as you come into the section, they're already there. So, oh, here they come. Here comes the splashdown for Rosetta's Seaside Slide. Boom. Now, as you come over this way here, most of the traffic goes to the right, but we're going to come over to the left quick here and show you their little wave pool, which is kind of cool. This is Big Bird's Beach. So now, unlike a traditional one here, actually they call this Little Bird's Bay. So this has some waves, but as you can tell, they're very little waves. The exact opposite of most of these big splash pads and stuff like that. This one is very mellow. But over here, there's a little alcove too, with a little splash pad I want to show you. Like I said, if you don't really know the park, you wouldn't know it. Oh, a little bird took a Cheeto. That's cute. So if you come over this side here, this is a nice little alcove here with a spray area. And I don't see a name on this thing here, so it might just be a cooling station there. But so that's what you got over here. So you got two little areas for the little kids to cool off and kind of escape from the heat. The one thing about Sesame Place I noticed is it's probably 60-65% water park. Even in the dry section, there's some slides and stuff like that. So this whole area is pretty much a lot of slides. Now over here is a nice little rest area where you can get Big Bird's Beach cabanas, so you can have some privacy and stuff like that. And over here, I always like this is Abby's Splash and Spray Garden, which is basically a giant watering can. It shoots water out there so the little kids could cool off on that end here. Now there's a little bit of a food area here, Abby's Pizza Express, and right there's Big Bird's Beach. So that's what that section is called. So you basically just went through the Big Bird's Beach. Let us know in the comment section if you like this, and if you want to see more stuff about Sesame Place, look over to your right. There's another video on deck for you.